Let's start by talking about the traditional versus non-traditional roles in the medical field. Now, when we talk about traditional roles, we think of doctors and nurses. Nurse practitioners in some states can open their practice, put their shingle out, and be completely independent. If you've ever had the opportunity to work in a hospital, you are acutely aware of all of the different people and their roles that make up and run a hospital. There's always a need for people that have positive attitudes, great work ethics, and need good insurance. For one, we see more women than we used to see working in leadership roles. Now, career pathways in medicine, the importance that I want to get across is that it is flexible. There's a lot of flexibility, but it is a lifelong learning career path. You may not get that in other careers where you're always learning and your job is changing. I would say that certifications sometimes carry more weight because they show you have a proven skill. The essential skills, though, that are going to be imperative: communication. You've got to be able to work in a team environment because always in the medical field, you're working in a team environment. You have to be critical thinker, and you have to adapt. If it's chaotic, I like it not to be chaotic, but if it is chaotic, it's my chaos and I know where everything's at. You may think, I'm not really a critical thinker. I don't think very fast on my feet. It isn't that. These are skills. Critical thinking can be learned. There is a caveat to that. I would tell you that this is a young person's job. Now, what you say is young may be different than what I say is young. The reason I think it's a young person's career is because it's physical. Now, is there areas where you could be a CNA and not have that physical component? Yes, probably. But for the most part, this is direct patient care. I think that direct patient care is something that everybody that wants to go into the medical field should have to do. You've got to be able to navigate your patient population that you're given, and you'll see those patients again and again in their home environment. Working in the emergency room as an EMT was brilliant fun. Another area that doesn't take a long certification or schooling is a phlebotomist. You have to have a specific personality because people are scared of needles. And you have to think about that. Dental assistants end up with their hands in people's mouths a lot, but you get to do some really fun things, meet some great people, and you'll have good teeth as a result of that. Back when I did it, you were certified, but you didn't have to have the certification. Now you're required to have a certification. You can work in a hospital in the pharmacy, but you can, in addition, work at private pharmacies. The stuff that I learned working in the pharmacy still to this day is beneficial to me. So I'm really thankful that I did that. Of course, now it's all electronic, but truly to this day, again, medical records specialist, there's always a huge need for somebody to work in medical records. It is a sit down job, and it is something where you will get intense exposure to every document that passes through that hospital. You're the first person that patient sees. You're the personality of the whole office. But I will tell you that the number one thing you need to have is a positive attitude. You have to learn how to collaborate with teams, and you have to be able to work within a team that has multiple skill sets. I think everybody should have to do fast food. Now, fast food isn't what it used to be, but it is the best way to learn public relations and patient relations. Be willing to meet new people. Now, within our industry, we have who people that hold your credential a lot of times have meetings and you can be involved with those people that will also mentor you, but networking and always putting your best foot forward because you don't know who's gonna walk across your path. The medical field is a great industry to be in, and it gives you a skill set to do almost any other career. I hope you become passionate like I am about the medical field. There's not enough people in the medical field, and it's a lot of fun to meet people